This na the Tecno Spark 7P. For this video, we go do the unboxing and review of this phone. If you watch until the end of this video, I go tell you one very special feature of this phone. So relax, sit down well and watch. Tecno announced the release of this phone on April 13, 2021, and then they released them on May 28. The packaging of the phone dey exactly like the Spark 7. The main difference na the size. Spark 7 packaging box dey small pass this one. This 7P gets two variants. One variant gets 64GB ROM and 4GB RAM. The second variant gets 128GB ROM with 4GB RAM. For this our unboxing video today, na the 128GB ROM variant we wan use. Before I open the phone, abeg subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you no subscribe, the mosquito wey go bite you for night don dey do press up for your head. So abeg subscribe, like and share this video. As I open the box, the first thing wey greet me na the phone itself. E get the quick specification when they write for front of am. We go talk about this quick specification very soon, but first of all, make we see other things when they inside the box. For this side of the box, another white box dey inside. Back of this white box, e carry the SIM injector. Inside the white box, you go see the warranty card and the back pouch. E dey transparent and flexible. For most of Tecno phones, na this kind design of pouch na dey follow them dey come. For here, you go see the charger, the charging cable when be USB 2.0 cable, and the earpiece. No screen protector dey inside the box. E don already dey attached to the phone itself. But one surprising thing be say for inside Tecno website, the only things when they mention say e dey inside the phone box na the phone itself, one charging cable, and the charger. Inside the site, they no mention say earpiece and phone pouch follow. Like seriously? Dem forget the things when they pack inside the phone box, or they not tell the person when update this website wetin they put inside the box. Okay, make we talk about the quick specifications when follow the phone come. For here, they write say the phone screen gets 90GHz refresh rate and na dot notch screen. The CPU na Helio G70. 16MP artificial triple back camera, and then the super night vision mode for the camera too. E get the smile snapshot and the battery capacity na 5000 mAh. About the body of the phone, the display of the phone na IPS with 90GHz refresh rate. The front camera dey top of the screen with the earpiece. The right corner of the phone carry the volume button with the power button. For the left corner, na the SIM house dey there. The top corner of the phone no carry anything as you fit see for the video. As for the bottom of the phone, na the earpiece jack come first, then the microphone hole come join. The next thing na the charging port, and the last thing wey dey na the speaker. The back of the phone carry 3 16MP camera with flashlight. E still gets the fingerprint sensor for the back too. See this fine Spark 7P branding too when dey back of the phone. But if I not bend am well in the way when the camera go fit catch am, you no go fit see am. So make we try look whether I fit bend am make you see am well. How e look? E no fine? Overall, the body of the phone not too bad. But I think say Tecno fit try to improve the design and make am look like the phones when dey for the common series. So I turn the phone on, wait for am to load, do the quick setup and land myself for inside the home area. The wallpaper na the same with the Spark 7. Unlike the Spark 7, this 7P dey bigger and you no go fit use one hand operate every area of the phone. For the quick settings, we get the one hand icon, the peak proof, the theft alert and the nearby share. I think say na the new standard apps when they did the quick settings when dey for inside Android 11 na be that. About the phone for the settings, you go see say na 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM na the phone get. The CPU na Helio G70 and it dey run on Android 11. The HiOS version na 7.6. One feature when this phone get na the direct stereo sound effect. Tecno Boost say e get cinematic audio sound when make sense well. The phone still get one fine function when fit allow you to reduce the size of your pictures and save a lot of storage space without deleting any of your files. But personally, the one when I like pass na the FM radio. You fit play am without plugging any earpiece as a tenor. I wonder why it take Android phones this long before them work on this feature. I mean, for ordinary keypad phones, FMs dey work without the antenna or any kind of earpiece, and it don't be like that for very long. So why Android phone dey get this feature now? Well, na good thing. The sensors when the phone dey support na the G sensor, the ambient light sensor, the proximity sensor, and the fingerprint sensor. Now the normal security with Android 11 follow this phone come, and e include the face unlock, the password unlock, the fingerprint unlock, the pattern unlock, and the theft alert. Then when we check the camera, we find out say the camera of this phone get the night vision. So I take some shots with the artificial intelligence mode, which is the AI mode, and the night vision mode. If you take videos with the back camera, it's not too bad. If you compare them with the Tecno Spark 7, this one makes sense pass am well. But it not still reach my expectation. I think say this one go correct the zooming problem when I get with the Spark 7. Especially say they go make am close to those common series cameras. Actually, those common series camera make sense when we pass this one. The front camera they take good selfie pictures. See one picture when I compare between the front camera and the back camera. One cool thing about this camera be say e dey easy to use and take create TikTok and YouTube videos. See some of the effects when the camera get. If you touch any of these effects, the phone go add this cool music and video effects for your video. Overall, I like the phone. My best point na the FM radio when no need earpiece as antenna. E no heavy and e get the charging light as indicator if you plug charger. The price of this variant na 71,000 naira, na be the official price. While the price of the other variant with 64GB ROM na 63,000 naira. If you need this phone or any other Android phone, no fear to let me know. Me and my team get original Android phones, and you fit contact us using the comment section below. But before I forget, check the description section for bottom of this video and find the link to the unboxing and review of the Spark 7. No forget to like this video, subscribe and share am with others, make mosquito for not bite you for night.